guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a crafty video that was inspired by Michelle. Her channel name is Pink Strawberries. You guys likely know her. She makes tons of awesome paper crafts. And the best part of it is they're usually very simple. So today I wanted to share what she created was these little post-it books, and I think they're so super cute, and I've been making them because I want to send them out to everybody who participated in my Help Me Get to 1,500 Subbies Dollar Tree giveaway. So I've been trying to craft up a little thank you, and these were the perfect thing because they really are simple, guys. So let me get started. Before we start the mini tutorial, I just wanted to share with you guys some of the ones that I've been creating lately. I've been having a lot of fun with them, and they're so simple, so easy, guys, to make these. Really, you could make them the same or different, however you like. On some of them, like this one here, you could see on the back, it's just flat. On this one, I decided to just put the piece that will attach it on the outside. I did it two different ways just to see if it would be any different. See, this one has it on the back where it's the contrasting pattern paper, and I just had so much fun making these. Super cute, super simple, and I just thought you guys might enjoy this. It's a quick, fun thing that you could make for friends mail. What you guys will need are 2 pieces of cardboard. You could even use a cereal box, anything that's a little sturdy. This is cardboard that comes and it's backed under just big pads of sheets of paper that I get at work. I always save this cardboard and it comes in handy for things like this. So these are measured at 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. So it's a perfect square. So you need 2 of those. Then you would need 2 pieces of pattern paper that are 4 1/4 each. You need 2 pieces like this. Here's my other one that are 3 by 3. And then you need 1 or 2 pieces of 3 by 3 1/4 for here. And this piece here is the one that goes over here and will be scored to attach. And so I did it double-sided, and I preferred it that way. It was a little thicker, and then you also can sort of see it, obviously. You guys can see that piece here is the little piece that was tucked over. So you'll see what I mean. So let's get started, guys. So the first thing you're gonna do is just glue this down onto your 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 pattern paper. So you're just going to glue that on here. Very simple. Press it on down. And then I just fold it up because it makes it easier to glue it down if you just start folding it ahead of time. That's what I found out. And this is going to get covered up by those 3 by 3 squares. So you just do that on all 4 sides. And then you're going to simply just trim this out, those little corner pieces. And then you're gonna just glue them on up. Very easy. This is like the most simple, and it's fun. They're fun to do, and then they're fun to decorate. So I thought this was really a great little project. So I thank Michelle from Pink Strawberries, like I said, for bringing this to us. So I put all my little flaps down. Just to save time, I already have this one, and I stamped my handmade stamp on it. So now you got your 2 pieces with the cardboard underneath wrapped up, and what we're gonna do is score I already did though. Score your 3 1/4 by 3. And you're gonna score it over at 1 1/4 and 1 3/4. And that will give you this part right here. So I've already done that, and that's where you're gonna put that down, glue it down on whatever side you just choose to be your back. So this is gonna be my back, and I'm gonna just glue it down. So easy, guys. I love fun projects that are easy because I don't have a lot of time to craft things and craft in bulk, and these were fun and not too much pressure when you make them. And everybody needs sticky notes in their life, don't they? I mean, I'm always using them to make little notes for myself at home, at work. So I thought everybody could use one of these in their lives. So now you're gonna take this square, the 3 by 3, and cover up what's left down here. Then we're gonna put this one on here, guys. So this is that other 3 by 3 square to put on the top lid of our little Post-it book. Let's put it, it's gonna go, really doesn't matter because these leaves are like floating any which way for the most part. It doesn't really matter. So if you're particular about how you want your pattern, just check that out before you put it on. And then over here, you're gonna glue it under. So in this case, you know, my fronts look like that. They're matching, but we're gonna decorate it and it's gonna look really cool. I made each and every one of these different. Some ended up being matching, some didn't have any matching. I just was having fun using my full pattern paper to just do these any which way, guys. I didn't put a lot of thought as I picked it. I just kind of was cutting and putting them together. And now we have the basic part to stick in our little sticky note pad. So first up, we're gonna do the little decorating. So that's how I decided to decorate it, guys. It's a great way to use your scraps. I put a little strip of scrap there, and I've been using all these pieces here that come in that big bucket from the Target dollar spot. So that's come in very, very handy. And then the last thing I recommend is when you take this off, this isn't super duper sticky here, so I just use a glue dot just to keep it in place when you stick it in the book, and these are not permanent glue dots, so when this pad runs empty, you can replace it with a new one and not mess up the paper in your little book. So it's as simple as that, guys. 1, 2, 3, you can make these cute little Post-it books for your friends, for your family, stocking stuffers if you use Christmas paper, whatever you like. All right, guys, that is it for today. That was my fun project. I had so much fun making all these pads for the little sticky notes, and I can't wait to get them all packaged up and send them out to all you guys that participated on my giveaway. So look forward to that, and as always, I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.